After having weight loss or bariatric surgery, your face has sagged down. How do we manage that in the simplest way possible to restore a more aesthetic? So, what are the changes जो face में होते हैं? That is, I discussed before, sagging. So, how do we manage that? We have the options of surgery. We can do a facelift. So, facelift along with some fat injections to restore volume here in the mid part of the face. Second option is if the severity is not that much, then we can do what is called as the infinity threads or the permanent thread lift. So, we can pull up the skin using permanent silicone threads, and that will help to reposition the skin. And then we add some fat here, improve the skin quality with treatments like vampire facial, and that will help to restore a lot of the face. Blepharoplasty can be done to remove excess of skin here and here. Mainstay of treatment is pulling up of the skin and adding volume. तो अगर हम वॉल्यूम ऐड करते हैं, फैट डाल के स्किन को ऊपर खींचते हैं, that solves most of the problems of post bariatric surgery weight loss on the face. Wrinkles के लिए we can do Botox. We can even do fillers instead of fat. अगर हमें इस region में we want to just add some volume here or anywhere on the face, either fat or fillers can be used.